Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Tech Karuna, and I'm sure everyone knows that I'm running a series on Canva. And today we are going to see how could we add text effects to our template. We all know that how to add text in our template, but today we will be learning how to add different kinds of effect to enhance the text. So we will be learning about text effects today. So without wasting much time, I would like to share my screen. After that, yes. Yeah. So as usual, we need to select one blank template. I have selected one blank template and I'm going to click the T icon to add text. So it is giving me option to add a heading, subheading, or a body text, all the different style of text we can add. So I'm going to add a heading. So I'm dragging and dropping it here, heading. And then I will be adding good luck. So first and foremost thing, we need to check the size of the text. So here we have the plus icon. You can just clicking on it, you can actually increase the size, or else you can drag the text box so that you'll get a big title. Now, I don't want this style, means I don't want this font. So I'm going to click this area, drop down area, and I am going to get something very nice for title. That is Anton. I have chosen the Anton style and it itself is giving a different effect. Now, let us see how to add text effects. So make it center. You can see on the top menu bar, you have an option which is called as effects. Go to that effects and click that button. So after clicking the button, different style of effects are available. Now we are going to check one by one. So for that, we need many blank templates with the same text so that we can try without deleting the previous effect, which I'm going to teach you. Now, so I'm copying it and sorry, I am adding more pages with the same font so that when we are going to check and try the different style of the text, it will be easy for us to move on. So on the top, like I'm taking the first one, I'm choosing it. And again, I'm choosing the effects. And here I'm going to check the first one, that is the shadow effect. Now let us click the shadow effect. Now you can see there is a slight change in the letter. A kind of shadow has come. Now we can go for changing the offset. Now how? Here an option is there, offset. So there is a bar, you can drag and check. You can drag here. See, you can see the changes. Now you can reduce it. That is also there. Now, let me show you by changing the color of the background because otherwise it is not very clearly visible. I'll go for some color. Yeah. Now you can see here. You can see the effect of the offset when I drag. Okay. Now, once again, I'm going to effect. Now, I have done the offset to the maximum. Now, you can do the direction changes also. The shadow direction can also be changed. Just what to do? You can see here, I'm moving it so that the shadow is going behind. Now, let me reduce it and see. See, it is going in the right hand direction. So you can check here, dragging it left and right. This is how you can actually do the effect of this one. Got it? Now you can also check with the blur option. There is an option you can actually blur the letters. Now, if you think that it will suit your design, you can go for it. Now, again, the transparency level also you can increase and decrease of the shadow. See, now I want to reduce the transparency. I can do that. So whichever suits your design, you can go for it. So this is how you can go for the change of the style of the effects. I mean, a style of the text effects, correct. So once again, now I'm going to go for the next one. So moving to the next page, I'm again selecting the font, text, and then I'm going for effects. So here the effects, if there is one option which is lift. Let us check how this works. So you can see here, it actually gives a slight color effect back. So you can go for the background change to check for that. Now, here it is. Again, the effect is lift effect. there is one option. You can change the intensity. Let us do the intensity maximum and go for minimum. So you can check this style of effects also. Moving ahead, we have the next option, which is the hollow option, hollow. So when you do this, you'll be surprised to see the hollow effect of the font. Now again, here we will change the background to check the effect. Now here it is dull. We can change the color of the font also. So like, let us change the color of the font by clicking the A icon here, and I can go for white. Now you can check how different it looks like. You can go for any change, maybe a pink color, maybe a white color. So whichever is whichever you think that is right for your design, you can go for this color change. Now this is one effect which is very, very, aesthetic. Now moving on to the next one, we'll move on to the next text. Again, we'll go for this effect. There is one option, spice. Let us check what it gives. See, it has added some spice to the text style. So this also have some option to modify. You have the option to change the thickness. You can go for the thickness this way. You can go for thin, right? And offset option is also there. You can go here. See, it changes, right? Like again, I need to change the background so that you're looking, that will be best to see the effects. So let us go for I think we should go for a dark effect, Okay, right. And I think I should go for change all so that we will not go to again and again change the background. Now let us click here, again the effect here, click the effect. So spice, again the options are thickness change. Now let us see, again I'll change the font color also so that, yes, now the effect. See here, there is an option for thickness change. Now go for this, or you can go for this also. So you can maximize or minimize according to your need. Again, the offset is also there. Go and you can check how good it is looking right now. Now, the direction change is also possible. Now, the similar way, whether it is you want it left side or right side, by moving the bar, you can do it easily, very easily. With one click only, you can move and you can change the look of the font style. Even you can change the color of this. Now let us go for, it is white, and so I think it will match with the yellow color. Let us see the change. See, you've got a different style of text. So this is how you can go for the effect spice. Now after that, we will be moving to the next one. Again, choose the font, and then the effect which is available right now is outline. Now go to this outline font. Now see how wonderfully it is modified within a click. Again, there is an option for us to go for the thickness of the outline, and also you can change the color also. So again, I'm going to check some other color, pink color. So whatever way you want it, you can go for it. So this is how this outline font effect, or you can call it as outline text effect, we can use it. Now moving ahead to the next one. Let us see what is the next one. So here comes the echo. Now let us try this echo option. Now you can try this, just click on it. And then again, it is having some effect options, modification options available. Let me change the color of the font before we enter to the changes. So you can see the color change. Now we have chosen this echo, and we are going to go for the changes in the offset, direction, and also the color. Now let us see how the offset is giving us. So you can see here, there is a slight effect at the back. Now you can change the direction also, and then you can change the color also. So check here. So by clicking a simple color change, the complete look of the text and its style and effect is clearly visible. So moving further to the next style, we are going to click again the font, and then color change will be done. Yes, and go to effects. Now we are going to check the effects part. Now we have glitch effect. Now let us check what is this glitch effect. Now you can click on it. See, it has some color options. You have two color options. Again, here also you can modify the offset, direction, and color. But the color options available for glitch effectors too, right? So let us check here. We'll go for this. It's not making much change, right? Now let us go for the direction change and see. And let us go for this offset change. Yeah, you can see it when the offset is changed. Now you have another option, another color option, which comes with the blue and red. The previous one was blue and pink. So this is how you can do the effects in Glish. Okay, now let me change the direction so that it looks a little bit better. Again, in the pink also you can try. So it is a double color shade which is looking like a Glish. So moving ahead, I have to copy down still more designs. I'll do it. Okay, we'll move on to the next effect. Okay, this is the next effect. Again, we are going to go for effects, and we have got neon effect. So we'll go for this neon effect and click on it. See, it's giving a, like a neon background color. Now, again, here one option for changing is available, which is actually you can go for the intensity. See, I don't want that much. I can go for this. I want this way. I want more. I want average. You can choose the intensity and check. So this is how you can go for the neon effect. Now moving ahead with the next one, moving to this good luck. Again, we are going for effects. And what is in store is like we have some background. See, what is this? Actually, you have written a text, and instead of changing the text color to make it look more good, you are changing the background of the text. So you can actually change the background color also. Here also we have the option of roundness, because whether the background is round or you want it, blunt, whatever, big or small, that you can do it. And the transparency also, like whether you want less color, more color, you can choose here. Now the next is you can go for the color change of the background also. How to do it? The color option is available here. Just go and click there, and then you can go for any color change. You can go for a darker one because our font is in white background, white color. So we can go for any. So this is how you can change the background of the text. All right. Now the next part is very important. Why? Because it is going to create a wonderful effect for your text. Click on it, come back to effects, and then you can go at the bottom. At the bottom, you have an option which is called as curved. Now, when I click that, let me check this. When I click that, it becomes curved. Now, I can reduce the size to make it, like good, or else I think I should make a change in the font style also, so that the effect will be clearly put up properly. So I'm choosing a simple font where it is not much bigger. So I'll write it, search and write it, because I need Olio. Yeah, Olio script. I've done this. Now you can see that it has changed, right? Now we are going to go for smaller size. Now see, the curveness is here. Now here we can go for, click it, and in the effects we can go for a curve change also. Let us see how. At the bottom you have a bar below the curve effect. Now you can go for it. If you want it this way, you can go for it. And if you want the curve to be up, see, I'm doing nothing. I'm using the bar. I'm using the bar. I'm dragging the dot in the bar to right and left hand side to change the curve. Got it? Now, if you want to make a, circular way, you can do this. Now, what you can do here is you can duplicate it and then bring it down. But again, when this is selected, you can go and drag the bar. Now, you can see here, I've made something. Now I will adjust this and make a circular effect here. Now this is how we can go for the circular effect of the text. Got it? Now, so before closing, I would like to show you all the different text effects we tried. So you can check here the first one, the second one. Come on. There's good lot of changes in each of the effect, and it will definitely add an aesthetic element to your designs. So that's all for today, and I hope this video is beneficial to you. And if you found this interesting and beneficial, do click the button like, share, and subscribe, and also just ring the bell icon so that you will get all my videos on time. So thank you for watching.